see that video before this one. Yeah, she came together super fast. Awesome plane. I really want to get this maiden. Very windy. Take a look there, hon. Very windy, but we're still going up. We're gonna have fun with the AS3X. Should help me. So I'll go through. All the surfaces are good. Left, right, up, down. I'm going full rates right off the bat. So stay tuned. How'd you have it? Let's go. Put a heavier 4,000 on it and it feels a lot better than it did earlier. Now the wind isn't helping us, so I'm not going to discount those batteries on this plane. You see that? That's the wind.
Yeah.
I gotta keep throttle up because of the wind. You feel it?
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Headwind to crosswind in a blink of an eye. I'll tell you what though, on a nicer day of flying, this thing would be amazing to be out here with, you know? I just feel like the plane is really trying to Man, yesterday was windy, babe, but not like this. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna have to come in. Heavier pack, it feels a lot better. I'm gonna try some inverted flight, but I'm gonna do it high. Normally I wouldn't do it this high. It's very minimal input right now. She's so easy to track.
I'm scared doing that right there, I'm not gonna lie. plane is not scared to fly. I'll be honest with you. It's just the wind is not helping me out at all right now. Alright, last flight I came down at 50%. This is really my maiden now because the last one was just a little problem with the phone. But I'm gonna try to land. See the gear?
Yep. Take your time. I'll take it.
Dang it. He's landing, they're getting every time. Yeah.
That's a 5,000 in this plane right now. You see how it's getting a little less twitchy? Those 4,000s tend to be a little light. Now the flight line, there's not a lot of wind, but I think these 5,000s, what they do is they help you penetrate through the air. So even though it's still a bit twitchy, right? That's obviously the wind. Like it is, we got about 15 to 20 miles an hour. This wasn't supposed to come in until tonight.
a little more speed on this one, okay?
Take it on the grass.
Look at the wind.
Landing yet? Look at that wind, baby. Look at that wind sock, guys. Look at that. It's crazy, about 15, 20 mile an hour winds. This wasn't supposed to come in until later on tonight. We're getting a storm coming in. 40% chance of rain and wind, so I didn't expect this to be this windy. If not, I wouldn't have done a maiden like this, but you know, I did one flight. That one flew fine, but we had a camera problem, so maiden flights. And then this flight right now, best landing yet, but the wind is just, it goes from this to straight across the field, and so you'll see the first landing kind of muck it up a little bit. With this one, I was able to maintain it. Went into the grass of it, but I'll take it because it was just nice and smooth. That plane has great suspension. Let's see if I can taxi it back. We'll see if the wind lets me. Maybe I can trick it to go the other way. Oh, look at that, baby. We might get it. We might get it,
Just gonna take off again.
No, because it's against the wind. I'll take that. So there it is, guys. E-flite P-51. I got 3 flights on it. I gotta say something. 4,000 should put on it and it'll fly. I think if we had no wind, the 4,000 would have been fine. But I put a heavier 5,000 on it, far forward, the same place I was putting the 4,000s, and it flew so much more like that. And I think that has to do with the wind. Like I said, the CG was fine with the 4,000. It made the plane a little lighter, and the wind was kind of tossing it. Other than that, I gotta say, the more I fly it, the more I like it, the more and more. I did play around with my settings a little bit, and that could be because of the wind, though. So, anyways, LJ Hobby Life, the E-flite P-51.